Sana tarina se wana nka so rekede o yo ni design o ye tech design bi a wo ho kama a owo online a chere nkofo woto Okay, Busiafumo Aquababa, why channel leader were from Parko to the rich. Now, you can all see there, serwah Amihere of Gh1, the trend on all social media platforms. Twitter's Aqua, trending also. The conversation is going on and on and on and on. But Ebiana, we need Maza serwah ya all trended them. Now I'm here to give you all the necessary details about why serwah is trending. But before I ever shall come on, I say, Mr. Why there? But more than I could be I was subscribing and me subscribe now. Don't ban also click it though. I mean, anytime the I hear the videos bottom was to any be. But I buy a diamond also make sure that back cable so I don't want to share video anymore or be who be. Now, so I comment to a comment section. Now, chair this is what is happening. Gh1 oba ho fefo so no a wo fe ne serwah Amihere. Na ejin bebo nye ya serwah Amihere. Anyway, me to minti you, I'm sure that you get the name. Na asori big posty war queristers one time. Na tarine zoya fewiye pa very beautiful dress. Kwembesi afuna chede wadi dem. Atarine ya pink. Now, minim that pink and is all colors pink, but man should I name them exact pink and but already you may headphone or you know your pick just down on areas and kakra. Now, sorry, using an action worship center. And I walk queristers what posty when I tara what the administration was sir. Now, tarini ya fe or ya kama or ya I mean or ya kono pa. Now, what posting in answer? And I say what be making them comments here or screening. Do you say this is my intellectual property action worship center? Your queristers stole my design. Something I am. Remember, something I'm selling. That is wickedness. Pure wickedness. Internet chere sister na some opera train there. Atarina acquire for the share or your only intellectual property. Na so be kere intellectual property and a chede a japaza ofi adrenim, which means something you have created with your brains. On an offer intellectual property. And I try to say when I some American United design and a cop far by now or you no designing. Inti fabi no wada na wonyi ma samana na asan ena wore toko se wane side no o na sadam na so no so oba ya wanya azu but obi so bakere obronyi na azu wanya no kwer obronyi na azu wanya no kwer everybody fee have some obi etum obi no na won kofu bi a wofra won tutujegu agenda boys a when the assembly obesi wo social media where no hwehwemu ana waka for fact na wade abrayen na yina boys in the investigations wakofa fact de bay sana tarina se wana nka so rekede o yo ni design o ye tech design bi a wo ho kama owo online a chere nkofo woto another designers a wo Ghana na bi no mo wa copy style and na wadze ye wo design inti yarekama asamana yeda wana chede sewa all be lie more kana chede nkontompo akohwisam then sewa they talk about and see pictures ba out there chede na sumpose bi atwamfonyi na aze style na aze na sana ni na ibi set up style na nyana style ona so okopi wo internet no no nyim dey sabe na nkotin or exclusive eye on the internet in a way when I'm styling in a low key only redesign or maybe no wapam or ya dear for say as a pam for wapam be na waton or market na sa wumpo ekowia na so bi mpo ebo wie fiwa enka wanu ntuma wasu konferia ma konferia ze enka we are all thieves but sister What trouble they stole my intellectual property, blah 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 blah. If he's a boy see koyinu too, what pan of the tama. Man, sister, or your press release or explaining some semi. Chada fiti ended that but why explain but was no evidence. Inti she go explain it ama tire. Inti this is why serwah Amihere is trending on Twitter, on Facebook, and social media platform. Baby ara bodu biala watro intellectual property no. Sis ya equivalent to the name serwah Amihere. Yes. Beautiful woman, when you fail, on your by force there, the mere fact there when you're failing, you should be blessed creatively. No. What was I now could put them obi or hopper master so now when you fail, obi or to me designer so oh yeah mobile to back and I designed this. We know that you just have good taste for fashion. You have more good sense of fashion. And so sometimes you take inspiration from already existing designs. And then you tell people that this is my own design, this is but onto them or your latter. And you see, one thing I would also want to advise in a day, with the word creative in Ankasan, you would always have to take inspiration from somewhere. But it depends on how creative you are. And so the fact that enya apo baby anadi enhu bibi wo baby na afa inspirational. Ono cement fact or your ideas. Ono cement fact no your wadren. Or you be na adren. You need to copy into seria and a mammy akawano to member yenny de or your was Sisi anana sisi akaye something which is the will be alubo we say. Why can't me be a kaka sister pegging and abana more in Bribim or call Manchester United or Park and I okropo biniti this so the damn time and upon Uncle Stadium or Emma Obia you that the mass semi or morning at TV3 won't stem by a bassa Madame Fit TV3. Into urban there, nature babesia baka kraba serwah Amihere so is also going to tell the same way. And I'm feeling and get happy with that. And so this is the whole issue. As someone na ma born top for my church and bibiano. Into Satibia, throw a comment section ha. Metin Anthony Yeno. May you mash you and you ye. Not be someone I mean you are from a park to the rich. A higher fan to YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Now vibe. Mama channel. I'm out of here. Bye bye.